Hi, I'm in Hoboken, New Jersey. This is Hoboken. Hoboken is a beautiful town. I love Hoboken. It's a great place to walk around. Kind of a quiet little town. It's beautiful. I hear a system sensor. Sounds like a system sensor. I'm not sure where it is though. I'm going to try to find it. I think it's coming from this way. That's the Hudson River over that way. There's not a lot of stuff over this way. This is the Hoboken post office right here. That's a cool post office. Looks like it's kind of old, probably over 100 years old. The alarm sounds like it's coming from this direction. It's got to be somewhere over here. I don't think it's at the post office. This is the back of the post office. Sounds like it's right around here. That's New York over there. Somebody jogging here. A lot of people like to jog by the river. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Right here. Awesome. Let's take a look at it. Cool. That's awesome. System sensor P2RK. Cool. That is so awesome. They use a lot of system sensors around here. A lot of system sensor P2RKs. Awesome. They got this old statue over here too. This is a guy that helped create the railroads that come into Hoboken. This statue is probably like 150 years old. Sam Sloan. I can't read the plaque, it's so crusted over with age. Sam Sloan. And there's the Hoboken clock tower over there, right by the Hudson River. New York over there. Empire State Building. Cool. Awesome. Hoboken, New Jersey. Looking at the system sensor. P2RK. Cool. A little snow left over. Dirty snow left over from the last snowstorm. Cool. One more look at this system sensor. Awesome. Live from Hoboken, New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Bye.